Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you about Zapier and WhatsApp notification integration. First of all, open your Zapier.com website and sign in with your account and click on Zap. From here, a new page will open. You have to click on Trigger. From here, you have to search anything you want to integrate with your WhatsApp notifications. For example, I will integrate my Gmail with my WhatsApp, or you can say Google Sheets. I will select Google Sheets. From here, I can trigger any event. For example, there are lots of events. For example, I will select new spreadsheet, click on it, and then you have to connect your Google Sheets account from this section. I have already connected. I will click on continue. From here, I have to select my Google Drive, click on continue, and I will test my trigger. Once you've tested your spreadsheet, all you have to do is continue with selected record. Now, from here, you have to select or search for WhatsApp. In the Actions tab, click on WhatsApp notifications, choose an event, and there is only one event which is sent message. And then I have to connect my WhatsApp account by clicking sign in. Once I have connected my WhatsApp to my Zapier, all I have to do is click on continue. I will choose a value. From here, I will select new message. From Google Sheets, I will select any name. You can type any name. Link to reply will be sheets.google.com. And I will hit continue. I will select link to reply and I will test my step. Now I have received my message, and that's how you can connect your WhatsApp notifications integrations with Zapier. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.